Basic maintenance. This forms one of the largest sections of the entire PDF, second only to the approved block section, which we'll describe in a moment. At the top of the page, there are 3 orange buttons that show you the history of the Xeric software with the download site, of the SpeedFire, and the demo modes that are there for our materials, and the InLab software, showing you the current firmware for the prime print. The rest of the sections show you what to do after you take a scan. How do you clean it? How do you calibrate it? You'll see one of our orange bars down here about a maintenance schedule. What should you do every day? What should you do every week? What should you do every month? How do you change the burrs, the waters? How do you calibrate the milling unit? Many steps here to help your staff keep your equipment in top shape. Down at the bottom is a separate menu for the prime print, which shows you many things that you'll find helpful if you just bought a prime print.